we do have Mr. Paul sitting here. Why are you sitting here, Mr. Paul?
Because it's Friday?
Because it's Friday, and I think we have a couple of people who are not leaving us today, but they're leaving us quite soon, and I think we're having no more assemblies by the time they leave. Would you like to come over here? I know you're wearing a t-shirt. Come on, I spoke to you earlier, didn't I? Now, what's your name?
Karina.
Karina. And this is your brother. What's your name?
Cooper.
Cooper. Okay, so Karina and Cooper, you're having to say goodbye to us today. Where are you going to when you leave Germany at ISS? Do you know where you're going?
America.
America? And how are you going to get there?
Airplane.
Aeroplane. Wow, okay. That's good. At least you're not swimming. We got a long way to swim. And have you had a good time at ISS? Yes. What's been your best thing about being here, do you think? You know. What have you enjoyed about being here?
School.
School! That's a good answer. He's enjoyed school. So, we're going to say goodbye to them in the usual way. Thank you, Mr. Paul. Let's sing nicely to Karina and to Cooper as we say goodbye. Thank you very much.